Early.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes. I can hear you now.
Okay. Let's continue. All right. So far so good. Some people are following me. All right. Please mute your microphone. All right. Please mute your microphone. All right. Let's continue. Now, after you have created your user, what you need to do, let's go and do the interesting stuff. After you've created your user, let's go ahead and do the interesting stuff. Just go ahead and go back to your XAMPP folder. All right, this XAMPP folder right here. When you get to your XAMPP folder, all right. When you get to your XAMPP folder, guys, when you get to your XAMPP folder, Miss Bayewuni, please, can you mute your microphone? Miss Bayewuni, please mute your microphone. All right. So when you get to this folder, go to htdocs. This is your XAMPP folder. Go to htdocs. If you guys are still following me, htdocs. You are going to see a lot of folder here, but then go to htdocs. Open htdocs. When you get to htdocs, nothing will be here actually because I've been working on some stuff, so I have them here. I have some of my stuffs here. So, but then if you are just starting out, just a few things will probably be here. I don't know, maybe only XAMPP will be here. Sure. So this is where you want to remember that we downloaded one WordPress file. Remember that we downloaded one WordPress file like that, right? We downloaded one WordPress file like that. Just go ahead and copy that WordPress file from wherever it is. Probably it's going to be in your downloads or wherever. Just go to your downloads. When you get to your download, go ahead and copy that file. After you finish copying that file, go back to your htdocs folder and paste it there. Immediately you paste it there, extract it. All right, the WordPress will be here. Just extract it. If you want to extract it, just left click on it and click on extract files. You can click extract to WordPress 5 point whatever or whatever version of your WordPress. Do you understand? Some of you might double click on it. When you double click on it, it's going to open something like this. And some people are having issues with this and thinking that WordPress is no more free. No, that's not. It's none of your business. Just open this. After you open this, just come over here and then click on extract to. If you are clicking on it directly, just click on extract to. When you click on extract to, this is the folder in which you want it to extract to, and then just click on OK. Then after you click on OK, it's going to extract. Just wait until the extraction process finishes. Then after the extraction process has finished, all right, after the extraction process has finished, just close this one and then look for that folder. This is that folder I just extracted. Do you understand? This is that folder I just extracted. All right. Now, this is what I want you to do. Create a new folder. Whatever you want to call the name of your website. Let's say what you want to call the name of your website. Let's say you want to create a new cake business, guys. You want to call it Cake World. Cake World. You guys that you are raising your hand, you want to say something? Just call it Cake World. All right. People are raising their hands. What's going on? Please just go to the chat area and type it so that I can check it out. Okay, I'm already recording it. Don't worry. I'm already recording it. I'm already recording the class. You will have access to it. I'll probably publish it on YouTube and then I will share the link. You guys can see it later. All right. I will publish it on YouTube and then I will send it to your emails. I'll send the link to your email. It's going to be It's going to be a private video, so that you guys can see. Okay, very good. Okay, let's continue. So this is the name of the website. All right, this is the name of your website. All you have to do is to, after you've created a new folder, all you need to do is to create a new folder. After you've created a new folder, go ahead and enter the WordPress you just extracted. Enter inside that WordPress. You are going to see another folder, WordPress. Enter inside that, and then copy everything that is here. Copy everything. After you copy everything, just cut it. Control X, press Control X to cut it or copy it, whatever you like, and then come back to that folder you just created for whatever website you want to create, and then paste it there. You understand? Paste it there. Okay, this is sweet. Immediately after you are done with this, please, I will slow down a little bit to make sure everybody catches up with this area. Immediately after you are done with this, just go ahead and let me go to the chat area. Oh, Mr. Mubelo Abdul Qadri, maybe you are having network issues. Okay, copying WordPress. If you can, okay, copying WordPress. Someone is lost at copying WordPress. Okay, what I mean is that the WordPress file that you downloaded, go and take it from wherever it is. It's a zip file. Take it to htdocs. Do you understand? Inside your XAMPP folder, there is a folder called htdocs. Open it up. After you open it up, extract it there. Do you understand? This is my own WordPress file that I downloaded. So all you need to do is to left click on it and then click on extract to WordPress, whatever. Just extract to this. After you extract to this, you are going to have it extracted into a folder like this. Do you understand? So open that. After you open it, copy. You will have some files here. Copy all the files and go and put them inside the folder you have created for your website, Cake World. That's the name of my website, Cake World. Immediately after you are done with that, I want to believe that everybody is with me here. Let me check the chat area and make sure everybody is with me. Please, if you are already with me here, can you raise your hand? Raise your hand if you are with me and if you can hear me loud and clear. All right, this is beautiful. All right, that's nice. Okay, that's good. That's good. Now, open, if you are with me now, open your browser. Let's go back to our browser. All right, let's go back to our browser. We don't really care about these. We don't really care about these PHP My Admin. Close that PHP My Admin page. Do you understand? Close that PHP My Admin page. Close that PHP My Admin page, and then go ahead and type localhost / okay, go ahead and type localhost / the name of the folder you just created, Cake World. Now, here is what is going on, guys. Immediately you type localhost. Localhost means you are referring to this particular htdocs folder on your laptop. Do you understand? Localhost is pointing at this htdocs folder. Do you understand? When you now put localhost / Cake World, it means you want to see the content of this folder. If I put localhost / allotimes, this allotimes, it's going to show me what I've created for this allotiming. If you have localhost / corporate cleaners, this corporate cleaners is a dry cleaning service. It's a dry cleaning service that I created a website for. Do you understand? All right. If I put it / whatever here, it's going to show me this website that I created. This is FBO, this is Immune, this is DMSQ. All right. It's going to show you those websites. So, but then it's Cake World that we want to deal with right now. So what you need to do is to do localhost / Cake World. All right, so please, I don't want to lose anybody here. Click enter. Really, after you click enter, it's going to load. It's going to keep loading. It's going to keep loading. It's going to keep loading. It might take a little while, not like a little while, maybe about 40 seconds or so, because it is crunching a lot of things. It is loading a lot of stuff, but then it will work out. Hope everybody is following me. What the hell? Okay, fine. You will get to this place. All right. Please, guys, give me a minute. Give me a minute. Okay, all right, guys. So immediately after, sorry, guys, I I had some visitors. Don't ask me who they are. They are my friends. All right. So immediately after you get to this page, this is the first page you are going to get to. Just click on English. English. So just go ahead and click on continue. All right. Now look at this. Is a very important step. This is a very important step right here. Look at this database name. Welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, you need information. You need to know the following blah 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 blah. Database name, database username, password, and host. Remember that I told you to write some stuff inside a paper when we were creating when we were creating the database. Yes, you have to supply those information here. Do you understand? Some people are typing at the chat area. Let me see. What are you guys saying? All right. So okay. Don't worry. I'm recording the class. Immediately after we are done, I'm going to upload it to YouTube, and then I will mail it to everyone. All right. God bless you. So as much as you are following me, let's go. So what you need to do is to click on let's go. Just click on let's go right here. Then after, when you get to let's go right here, now the database name. What was the database name? My own database name was WP-project. My username was Big Sam. My password was Big Sam admin. My password was Big Sam admin. All right, don't worry about this table prefix, leave it alone. And then, since you remember that we changed to localhost, right? Remember that we changed to localhost. Just leave localhost here and click on submit. Right? You just click on submit. Oh, okay. We were able to connect to database server, which means your username and password was okay, but not select WP. Are you sure it exists? Oh, okay. I'm happy.
Please check.
Sorry? Is someone saying something?
Check the spelling of the project.
Sorry?
You wrote project, not project.
Oh, yeah, the spelling. Don't mind me, Jerry.
Yes.
Don't mind me. Okay. Oh, yeah, see my life. It's good to go to a good primary school. Okay, project. I think I get that right now. Just click on submit. Still an issue. What's going on here? Sorry, are you guys having this issue? You guys should not have this issue. Let me be the only person having this issue. Oh, don't mind me. I did not change my password. The password is gone. Oh, God. Big Sam admin. All right. I think I should get it now. Guys, don't mind me. I'm not doing well. All right. Just click on submit. Yes. All right, Sparky, you made it through the installation part. WordPress can now communicate with your database. That is the essence of this part that we are doing. WordPress can now communicate with your database. All right. I hope you guys. Okay, now just to run the installation, click on run installation. All right. So if you go ahead and run your installation now, fine. You will get to this page. Just whatever you want to call your site title, your website title. It doesn't have to be whatever you want to call it. We can go ahead, we can always change this anytime we want to change it, but just call it cake business or whatever it is you want to call it. Your username is what you want the whole world to see you. I'll just call it Olubayosam. All right. Oh, sorry, before I mislead you guys, it's very important. See, this username right here is very important. That is what you are going to use to sign in into WordPress anytime you want to work. This will be your administrative login. it is very important. Whatever you put here is not the same thing as your database parameters. So it is what you are going to, let's say you want to log into your Facebook. They will ask you to put your username and your password. So this is what you are going to use. I put mine as Olubayosam, and then my password, I'm going to use something I remember. What should I use? Something I remember. Let me use one of my names. Do you understand? Confirm the use of weak password. All right. And then your email, put your email address, please. Just put your email address. And then after you put your email address, don't discourage search engine from indexing this site. If you discourage search engines from indexing this site, it means when people search for you online, they will not see you. Google search bots will not be able to get to you. So don't check this box. Leave it unchecked. Do you understand? All right. Leave it unchecked. And yeah, things are looking good. Just go ahead and install WordPress. All right. Show password. Let's see. And update. Good. And let's hope we get this right. I'm sorry. If you are with me in this stage, please raise up your hand. If you are with me in this stage, please just go ahead and raise up your hand. Yeah, success. Okay, very good. So just click on login. If you are already at this stage, all right, success, WordPress has successfully installed. Thank you and enjoy. Just go ahead and click. Okay, login, and then put in your login address. Olubayosam that you just created now, and then the password I used was, all right. And then you want to click on remember me, such that when you come back here, it will just automatically log you in. You don't have to relog in. Immediately after you are done with that, just click on Sweet Login. So when you click on Sweet Login, the most beautiful thing in the whole world will happen, and then you will get to your dashboard. And you are happy. Oh my God, we are happy. So if you get to this page with me now, congratulations to you. You will not be getting this WordPress 5.4.2 is available because you guys downloaded the latest version. Look at me, I did not download the latest version. Sure you get. My version was 5.3 or so. You understand? That's why I'm getting this update notice. So first of all, I want to know how many people are with me in this stage. If you are with me in this stage, raise up your hand, please. All right, very good. Okay, very good. You guys are doing well. You are doing well. Oh, well.
You're doing well, sir.
You are doing well too.
Fantabulous.
Hi.
My students are Togo. My students are Togo.
Me, I'm not doing well here too.
Okay, what's the issue?
I'm actually waiting for the record.
You are waiting for waiting.
The record.
Oh, you are waiting for the record. Okay, you're gonna get it. No, wala.
I was lost at that point of copying. No, seriously.
Oh,
the point of copying from that htdocs to copy all those files and then paste where exactly. That was where I lost it.
Jesus is Lord. You are far behind. Let me just give you a quick review. Maybe you can just follow your own way through.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me give you a quick review. Maybe you can follow your way through. Okay, what we did is that. Yes. Okay, what we did is that in this place right here, after you have already I want to believe that you've already uncompressed this, you've already extracted this, and you have this folder right here, right?
Yes, I've extracted it, I've copied it, but where exactly to put it?
Exactly. Yes, so yes. What I told you is that, what do you want to call the name of your website? Tell me, Paul, what do you want to call the name of your website?
Gifties Cake.
Sorry?
Gifties Cake. Gifties.
Very good. Now, create a new folder.
Are you hearing me?
Yeah, create a new
Yes.
folder and call it Gifty's cake. After you create a new folder and you call this Gifty cake.
Okay, under the okay, I should create a new folder.
Yeah.
Okay.
In your
Call it
HT docs, so
okay.
go back to the example, go back to the HT docs.
Yes.
You understand? Create Gifty
Why
cake.
they laugh?
So
After you've created Gifty cake, go ahead and paste it into Gifty cake.
Yeah.
Paste those contents into your Gifty cake. Now go back to your browser and then do localhost /Gifty cake. Exactly the name of your what's it called? Exactly the name of your folder, Gifty cake, and then press enter. Do you understand? Nothing was inside my folder, so this was what I got. Do you understand? So it has already navigated to Gifty cake. You can see index of Gifty cake. If I click to parent directory, see what it's going to show me. It's going to show me here the dashboard. Do you understand? So if I do localhost /Gifty cake, I'm going to get to Gifty cake. But we were already done with that. Most of us are already here. So if you are here, God is good. Just go ahead and follow the procedures and try to catch up. So if you are here, God is good. You are doing well. So just go ahead and let me show you something right here. Let me show you something. How our website looks like right now. We want to see how our website looks like right now. Come over here to Cake Business. This Cake Business icon, this home icon you are looking at. This home icon that you are looking at right here. Just click on Visit Site. Click on Visit Site and let's see how our website looks like. Sweet! This is how our website looks like right now. All right, this is how your website looks like right now. I know it's not really doing that well. It's not looking beautiful, but trust me, by the time we are done with this website, Raspbian, by the time let me show you guys something. Localhost /DMSQ. All right. Can you guys believe that I created this thing with WordPress? Can you guys see this? If you can see this, raise up your hand.
possible.
All right. So what I'm saying is that you'll be able to create something as beautiful as this with WordPress. All right. So yeah, in fact, you will see now. You see this? All right. Very good.
Wow.
Yeah. I know, right? I know. I know. Okay, so let's go back. This is how. Let me show you something. Go back to over your cake business. This cake business of a thing, and click dashboard. When you click dashboard, you will go back to this home page. All right, you'll go back to this home page. What I want you to do is to come over to appearance. Come over to appearance right here. Come over to appearance. Go to themes. Click on themes. Immediately when you click on themes, you are going to see these are the pre-installed themes, the themes that came with WordPress. These are your pre-installed themes. Let me show you. Go to add new. And I want to show you that WordPress is amazing. We have people who have already taken their time to create beautiful themes for us to use. Like, see, website design is not hard. They've created beautiful themes for you. See, we have millions of them right here. See this one. If you want to build a consultant, see another one here. See another one here. A lot of them, like so much. These are just the featured ones. We have the popular ones, latest one, favorite. Just search for the name of your theme and you are going to see. But then I've not gotten there yet. That's not where I'm going. I've not gotten there yet. All right. We are not here yet, guys. There are still some basic things that I have to take you guys through. So let's go back to themes. These are the installed themes, the themes that we have installed already. This is the one that is currently active. Let's change it. Let's change it to this one. Just go ahead and click on activate. Over this particular one and click on activate. Just click on activate. All right. So when you click on activate, it's going to see something very beautiful is going on here. What we are doing it offline. You don't have to be connected to the internet for you to be able to do this. Do you understand? You don't have to be connected to the internet for you to be able to do this, because we are running on localhost. That's the work of XAMPP. That is what XAMPP is doing for us. So immediately after you change your theme, you've already changed your theme to this one. What's the name of this theme? 2017. That's 2017. Just go ahead and hover over Cake Business and let's see how our site looks like. Click on visit site. You see, the whole thing has changed now. This is how it looks now. Do you understand? The whole thing has changed now. So themes are very important. Themes are like the basic templates of how your website is going to look like. All right, they're like the templates, like the skeleton on which your website rests on. Do you understand? They're like the skeleton on which your website rests on. So themes are super important. Do you understand? So what I want you to do, let me show you some things how you can mess with some changes. Go over to dashboard. When you get to dashboard, come to settings. So when you get to settings, click on general settings. Let's see general settings. So when you get to general settings, now see, remember that we once created our site title. If you ever want to change your site title, you can come and change it here. Cake Life. Change it to Cake Life if you like. But then Cake Business is good. Oh, sorry, Cake World. Let me change it to Cake World. And then it is not just a website, a WordPress website. Change it to the most amazing cake you have ever tasted. All right, soft. Now, website URL. This is our website URL right here. All right, this is our site address, my administrative, whatever. If anyone can register, you can click on this, but just leave this one alone for now. And then your date format. How do you want your date formats to be? This is how I like. You see, this one is not bad. Yeah, week starts on Monday. Just leave it down and save changes. All right. Immediately after you finish saving changes, let it upload. And then after it has uploaded, just come to these settings, these same settings. All right. We are currently in general. Come to primer links. Come to primer links over here. Click on primer links. Click on permalinks right here. So when you click on permalinks, we want to select how we want our links to be looking like. And I don't like the way it's looking like this. Let's choose this one. Post name. Click post name. Click post name. Post name is the best to go with. So after you click post name, just go ahead and save changes. Now, before I continue, there's something I have to show you guys. Now, this is the same way it will look like if you were to be working on a domain that you purchased. Do you understand? If you were to be working on a domain that you purchased. I don't know if this domain is still active, but let me see. Let me see if I still have it active. Let's see, please. Let me see if I still have it active, if you've not blocked it, if I'm not owing money. All right, so let me try and log in. So there's a domain that I bought. It's called Healthcare Plus. The domain's name is Healthcare Plus. All right, the domain's name is Healthcare Plus. This is the backend of the Healthcare Plus login. This is the shared IP address. This is the IP address of the server that is holding it for me. Do you understand? This is the IP address of the server that is holding it for me. This is my own computer's IP address. This is the IP address of the server that is holding my site. Do you understand? All right. I can also manage my files here, my file manager. If I click on my file manager, you will see something. I already have WordPress installed on this particular one. You will see. If I go to public HTML, you will see these folders: WP admin, WP contents, WP includes, and WP whatever. They are the same files that I extracted and I put inside Cake World. It's still the same thing: WP admin, WP content, WP whatever. So that's exactly. So it's kind of like there is a computer remotely that I'm accessing its file manager right now. So that is how easy it is. When you are ready to buy your own domain, you can buy your own domain and upload whatever. In fact, right here, I can upload pictures. I can upload pictures. See, let me open this IKEA for you, and then root blog, and then images. These are some of the images that I uploaded then, you understand? They're uploaded on this, whatever. So it doesn't matter. I just want to show you that this is how it is. And if you scroll down here, you will see WordPress here. When you click on WordPress here, you are going to be taken here. This is where you will install your WordPress. This is where you can click on custom install, and then you can go ahead and fill in all these things, administrative password. But in this case, you wouldn't have to worry about creating any database because they will automatically handle that one for you. So after you are done with all these things, and then just click on install. Immediately you click on install, you'll be good to go. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show you guys my my administrative panel, my WordPress administrative panel. So what I will do is healthcareplus.com.ng, I think that's the name, /WP admin. All right, healthcare.com.ng/WP admin. So if I click it, and I want to show you something here, when I'm here, you will see that it's also the same thing as cake localhost /WP admin. Do you understand? It's the same thing, just that this one is running on a local host, on a local host domain, on a locally hosted domain. That's why it is called localhost. And this one is running on a remotely hosted domain, which is .com.ng/whatever. So let me log in here. Can I still remember my login? I think I can. Yeah. Let me see. Okay, hey, you see that it's exactly the same thing. This is the one that I hosted online, which is WP admin. Do you understand? This is the one that we are doing on localhost, which is still localhost keyword admin. So it's the same thing. Anything I teach you guys here is applicable when you finally buy your own domain. Do you understand? So you can go ahead to where's appearance? What's going on? You can go ahead and check themes and see the different themes that we have. All right, so these are the different themes that we have. I have 2020, 2019 running on it right now. Do you understand? So you can go ahead and see blah that is going on it. So I just want to show you guys that. Let's go back to our local host.
Can you add the theme? Let's see how you add it.
Sorry?
Can you add the theme? Let's see how you can add it.
Okay, if I want to add a new theme.
Yes.
Okay, very good. I think I still want to show you guys some few settings before I add a theme. All right, before I go to adding it. Oh, okay. Before I go to adding a theme, I don't think I saved this. Let me go back here. Permalinks. When I'm in permalinks, I choose post name, save changes. Please always save changes. All right, so after you save the changes, come back to dashboard, and then this is where you are. All right, now let me tell you something. Anytime you want to add a new plugin or you want to add a new theme, you have to be connected to the internet, because it will download those stuffs from the internet. Do you understand? Then after you finish downloading those stuffs from the internet, you can go ahead and disconnect from the internet. You only need to go to the internet when into the internet when you want to download, when you want to install plugin or install a new theme or install whatever. You understand? So after you are done, you can disconnect from the internet and continue to enjoy offline practice. Do you understand? Do I still have any other things to show you guys? Okay, go to pages, all pages. All right, when you get to all pages, you are going to see some sample pages that came with WordPress. Just go ahead and select all and delete them. I want us to start with a blank slate. All right, go to bulk action, move to trash, and then apply. So when you apply, we have a blank slate now. Go to post as well. Let's move everything. Hello world post. I don't care about hello world post. Just oh, sorry. Yes, let's trash it. So since it is one set, we can just come over here and click on trash. Fine. All right. So we have a blank slate now. First of all, let us change our theme. All right. Let's go ahead and change our theme. So what you should do is come over here to where's that theme set again? Okay, appearance. Go to theme. Please, I want to be sure you guys are following me. If you are following me and then you are at this stage with me, please raise up your hand.
I'm raising up, man.
Okay. Oh. Okay, don't worry, guys. You can access the video. I'm recording it. You don't have issue. I'm recording it. Don't worry. Some people are having network issues. They cannot hear me. I'm recording it. Don't worry. I'm recording it. I know that some people are really struggling to be a part of this class, but network is not very good. Don't worry. I'm going to put this on YouTube. And in fact, I'm going to tell you something after this class that will blow your mind. That will blow your mind. So I already.
I have a question, please.
All right.
This locals we are using, yeah, is it because we are just practicing, or at a point we have to buy a domain?
And at the point you will have to buy a domain and do all these things on your domain, right? Now the thing is that I wouldn't, because you will have to buy a domain. Do you have like 5K or 6K or 10K or 15K, whatever, depending on the kind of domain you want to buy? A domain, I think the least domain is about about 4K. That's .com.ng. They are very cheap. .com.ngs are cheap. All right.
Okay.
.gov, .com, .org, all those big dots that you know, they are a little bit more expensive. You get. So yeah, you might have to buy them. But then I can't ask you to be buying domain and be using domain to practice when you are not on.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you understand?
I get you.
Or if
I'm still stuck trying to load my localhost. Basically, I've copied the file I extracted to the XAMPP folder.
Okay.
I went to my browser to do my localhost / the folder name, but it's telling me objects not found.
Objects not found?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wait, you copied those files and then did you put it inside the folder of the name of your website? Create a new folder for it. Copy those things inside it. Did you do that?
Okay. I caught it from the WordPress and I pasted it inside the new folder. What I did.
Okay, you posted it inside the new folder.
Yes.
And you did localhost / that new folder's name. Make sure you don't miss that new folder's name. If it is wrongly spelled, it will be telling you objects not found. But if it is correctly spelled, you should definitely get there. And you are sure that your XAMPP is running correctly, then you should not have issue. Check all these things.
Yeah, the Apache is on and my SQL.
Okay, and yes. Also you type localhost / your cake business name. Now, if you had issues, if you are one of those people that had issues of changing port's name, if you change port's name, then whatever port you change it to now, if it is 8080, what you have to do right now is not just localhost alone. Localhost alone will not work for you. You have to do localhost hyphen. Is this thing hyphen or column? No, it's column. Sorry, column. Column 8080. Do you understand? If 8080 is the name of is the port you change to, if you are using port 80, the default port, you did not have any issue, then you don't have to do this. But if you have
80,443.
You are using
80,443. That is there.
Okay, if you are using 80, then you might not have to do this. If you click, see, if I click this now, it will not do anything for me because I don't have XAMPP running I don't have XAMPP running on port 8080. It will see. It will give me unable to connect. Do you understand? But if I go to my normal port 80, then it will welcome me. Do you understand? That is another problem that I see that you can be facing. Why do I have this? Wait.
Okay, I'm seeing the dashboard. Quite alright.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just the file I'm trying to locate since. I have to change the file folder name and try again.
Okay. You are seeing the dashboard, but you can't locate the file.
Yes.
Okay. You know what? How do we go about this? It shouldn't be an issue at all. Just localhost / just go ahead and type the name of your what's going on? Okay, just go ahead
Let
and
me change the name to something.
change the name to not something else, or create a new folder and recopy, and you will get it. It's not a big deal. That's what I'm saying. Just come. Okay, let's continue, guys. Let's continue. The rest of you, just come over here, and okay, team appearance, whatever. What was I about to do? Okay, I was about to install a new theme. Now, this is my favorite theme, and the theme in which I will advise all of you to use. All right, it is the best theme. I won't call it the best theme, but the theme that most people use. Well, actually, two themes. Number one, the name, you might want to write this down for future purpose. The themes that you should always use, they are the best, so to speak, and they are free. Some of these themes are not free. Do you understand? So I will only tell you everything we are going to be doing in this course will be free. Number one is Ocean WP. Ocean WP. This is the name. Ocean WP. You have to connect to the internet now, and this is Ocean WP. All right. The second one is called Parallax. Parallax. Do you understand? The second one is called Parallax. This is it right here. Parallax 2 is very good. It's very good. But I will prefer us to use Ocean WP. Ocean WP. Ocean WP is what I use, guys. Can you guys hear me? Ocean WP is what I use, and I will.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Ocean WP is all right. Okay, so you can preview and see details. You can see it has 5-star rating, and then it has a lot of people are using it. It's doing well. It's doing this. It's doing that. Life is good. Life is good. Just come over here and click on install. Okay. Just click on install. Then it will be rolling. It will be installing. It will be installing. It will be installing and installing.
I'm not doing well.
You're not doing well. Okay, what's going on? Tell me. Mr. Paul. Mr. Paul. I can't hear you, Mr. Paul. If you can hear me, I can't hear you. Perhaps you're having network issues. You can go ahead and drop a chat.
Can't really hear anything.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Aremu Samuel, for trying to educate us to put our 8080. Please, it's very important. Put 8080.
You're hearing me now, right?
Yeah, I'm hearing you now.
Okay, I said I'm now doing well. That's what I said.
What's the issue?
I said I'm doing well now.
You are doing well now. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. I can hear you.
Yes.
Yeah, let's continue. So after you have installed it, then you have to activate it. Click on activate. All right. Click on activate. Immediately after you finish activating it, you are going to have this screen right here. You can see Ocean WP is already added. It is free, and then it has been activated. Just go ahead and delete these ones. These other ones that are here, we don't need them. We are never going to need them. So just go ahead and click on them and then come and click on delete here. Okay, I don't need them. So they are just taking unnecessary space. Go ahead and delete them. Of course, if we ever for any reason in this life need them again, we can always reinstall them, but I don't need them, so I like to keep everything nice and clean. You only need one plugin at a time. Of course, you can decide to leave it, that's your choice, but me, I just like everything to be clean and nice. That is why if you see my room right now, my room is always clean. My room is always neat. I like everything to be clean and nice.
Okay.
All right.
So.
So if I say so, it's clean. I'm telling you. Come and visit me. I will not just give you food. Because I know you will like food. Don't come and eat my food.
Social distancing.
All right, so let's continue. We've already. Oh, let's look at how our website.
I want to ask a question. This theme you are using now, this theme you are using now, will it just be for the home page, or you are still going to get there?
Oh, no. See, that is what I want to show you now. That's what I want to show you now. Now, after you have installed this theme, you think it is looking beautiful like this. You will see what you will see now. Go over to your Cake World, over it at visit site. This is how your website looks like now.
Oh,
yes.
Okay.
I know what you are expecting. You are expecting it to come out beautiful.
Beautiful as it is.
No. Remember what I told you about plugins? About themes. They give a template, a like a resting background on how your website will look like.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
If when you install this theme, it just brings that page for you like that, then everybody's website will be looking the same. Do you understand? Then my website will look the same thing as his website. No, themes, they give you opportunities to be creative. So you can just come ahead and design your own website the way you want it to look. So the first thing we are going to do right here is that we are going to create a menu. Let's create a menu. All right. What do I mean by menu? You are going to see right now. You know that top bar that used to be here, that navigation bar that will be menu, homepage, about us, contact us, service page, whatever, that will be around here.
Yeah.
That's what we want to create right now. So click on customize. See customize here. See customize here. Just click on customize. Okay, so we have 15 minutes more till the end of this class. We have 15 minutes more till the end of this class. And then please remind me that I have something amazing to tell you guys after this class. Do you understand? Please, I'll start saying it about 5 minutes after 5 minutes till the ending of this class. Okay, admit. So we are here. This is where beautiful things will start happening. This is where you can do some customizations. This is where you can do some customizations to your WordPress theme. Do you understand? You can do some beautiful customizations to your WordPress theme here. All right. Now, site identity, colors, menus, widgets, additional templates, whatever, general options, whatever. Site. If you click on site and identity, it is this Cake World and your tagline. Now, see this thing. Let me first remove this. I want to remove this nonsense, this bullshit. Let me remove this. I want to remove this bullshit right here. I don't like it. If you guys like it, you can leave it, but I don't like it. So it is the tagline. If I uncheck tagline, then it's going to where is it? Oh, no, that's not it. Don't mind me. That's not it. This is not where you're going to do that. Come back here. Come to top bar, general. Okay, let me remove this one first. Put your comments here. Let me remove this one first. Disable top bar. If you disable top bar, that will be gone. All right. I think this one is somewhere else. I think header or something. I don't know. Let me see. All right. Don't worry. I'll get it later. Let's continue. Let's leave it for now. Go. We catch it. I'll see it later. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Now, go to colors. If you are in colors, you can change the header color. Whatever you want your header to look like. You can change your header color. You can see this cake right here. You see that the color is changing.
Yeah.
Do you understand? This is where customizations can come in. You can change the color to, let's change it to red. All right, so let's change it to very bright red, or change it to whatever color you like. After you are done, always publish your changes so that bad things happen. All the things you have been doing doing since morning, everything will just go. God will not allow us to cry.
Amen.
Amen.
God no go shame us.
God should not shame us. Okay, so we'll just come over here and okay, let's go to menus now. Click on menu. Okay, now we don't have any menu. Click on create.
I really can't hear you, and I think my network is good. Please check if it's from your end.
I don't think it's from my hand because some other people can hear me very well. Guys, can you hear me well?
Yes,
But, yeah.
Of course, I can hear you.
Okay.
We can hear you. We can hear you.
Who they use Visa line?
Who is Visa?
All right. So just give your menu a name. I will name mine main menu. You can name it whatever you want, but then main menu just seem good. Name it main menu. And then where do you want to put it? I want to put it on the top bar, and I want to make its name. Okay, don't put it on the bar. Make it the main menu, and then click mobile option. You want it to show on mobile. Now this thing is beautiful. If you want to, that's why I tell you that website has to be responsive. All right. When you click mobile option, it means it's also going to show on mobile. And then look at this control at the bottom. You can see how it looks how your website will look on a tablet. And you can see how it looks on a mobile phone. This is how it will look on a mobile phone. You understand? So it is very important that as you are creating your website, always look at how it looks on web or how it looks on desktop,
mobile phone.
on all the devices around. So let's go back to how it looks on desktop. Just come over here, and then after you create main menu, just click on next. After you click on next, let's add items to it. All right, we are adding items to it now. Item, just add item. Click on add item. Okay, we don't have pages created now. Just come over here. We need an home page to be there. Click add. Click on put on. We need services. Add. We need what else do we need? We need about us. You are doing well. We need about us. We need contact us.
Contact us.
We need contact us. All right, and then maybe if you want to hide profile or whatever, or
Okay.
profile, or see or view products. If you have a product page,
Contact product.
view products or whatever, hard. Immediately after you finish doing that, all right. Immediately after you finish doing that, all right, it's already there. It's already there. And let's say you want to arrange how they come. Let me show you something. Just click on publish first. Now see this top page. It's already here. It's already here.
Okay.
We even have a search. We even have a search menu.
The search menu.
We even have a search bar right here. Do you understand? Such that when you click on it, you can make any searches here. And then we have this beautiful menu here. Of course, we can customize it if you want to change the color, if you want to change the way they look, if you want to, if you want to do anything. So, but then we have it here. Let's say you want to rearrange it. You want contact us to come before about us. Just click on them here, and then literally drag it up. And then you can drag view product above contact us. Rearrange it the way you like. And then after you are comfortable with what you've done, just click on publish.
Publish. Okay.
And let's do something. Let's say you have a logo and you want to upload your logo. Come to site identity and come to site icon. Okay, let's do site icon. Site icon is the little thing that will be here on your website. Do you understand? If you look at Nova University has this blue hat as the site icon. That is what that one is. So you are going to upload it here, but don't let us do that yet. Let me look for that logo, please. Okay.
But I want to ask a question. There's a limit to, let me say, is there a limit to the, like this cake word now, the font?
The fonts.
Yeah.
Of course, you can. I'm still getting there. Do you understand?
Okay.
See, everything you see here is customization, site identity, colors. If you want to deal with any color on your page, if you want to deal with menu, if you want to deal with widgets, home pages, additional CSS, general options, typography. The font will be under typography. If you click typography, you can see headings, whatever, logos, if you want, how you want them to be big. Even mobile options. All right,
Okay.
a lot of things for you to edit here. See, guys, I can't really teach you everything here. I really wish I could go through all these things one by one and tell you what they do, but we can't create everything here. You can click on general. When you click on general, you will see a lot of things for you to change. Do you understand? And also, blah, 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 blah. Okay, headers. Let's click on the headers. Logo. Click on logo. Now let's upload the logo. All right. Let me see if I have a logo on my local. Okay, Nova University logo. Let's upload Nova University logo. Just drag it and drop it here, and then that image will be uploaded.
Yeah, good to go.
All right, so you can skip cropping. So when you skip cropping, it's going to change, and then boom, your logo will be here. Of course, this logo is too big. We have to reduce it. Max width. All right, I'm changing the width here. Do you understand? You can drag the width, and then immediately after you are done, you are fine. You can increase it to the actual image size, or you can reduce it to, whenever you think it is good. I think this is
5 minutes more, sir.
Oh, 5 minutes. Oh, thank you very much. That is why I nominated you as timekeeper. You are doing well. All right. So, okay, very good. Now, always publish your changes. Of course, this will be the picture of some cake or whatever, and you have it like this. This is your menu. Your menu is already there. After you've published it, let's see how it looks like on mobile. This is how it looks like on mobile, and then you are going to have this little menu. So that when you click on it, you have this here. Do you understand? We are doing well already. Let's go back to desktop version. Do you understand? Always publish your changes. Let's get out of here and do something else. All right, we are going to continue from this the next time. Let's get out of here. So you already have it like this. Now, let me show you the worst way. If you don't have a mentor, if you don't have someone teaching you, this is probably the first mistake you are going to make. Let me show you. Let me make that mistake for you. So if you want to create pages, just go to all pages. Go to pages, go to all pages. You are going to see a lot. Like, okay, these are the pages we just created. Remember that we deleted everything, but when we are creating menus, when we are creating a new menu, we added view products, services, homepage, whatever, everything is here. So you can go ahead, let's say the homepage now. I want to create the homepage. I want to just go to edit page. Sorry.
Oh boy, you never know.
So when you get to edit page, now we are here as the home page. So you can go ahead and now design your page from here. You can write whatever you need. I am a boss and I am a boss. You can go ahead and add. You can go ahead and add new. Let's say, okay, these are the list of things you can add. You can add a paragraph, image, gallery, list, heading, whatever. You can add file, common block, layout, several. You can add widget. These are, let's add image. Let's add a image block, and then let's go to media library. We don't really have so much here. Let me look for image on my local. Okay. Let me look for image on my local. Okay. Okay, very good.
Please, I'm not hearing this thing anymore.
Can you hear me? I can see me. I can hear you. Can you hear me?
I don't think he can.
Can you guys?
Maybe his network has problem. Me, I'm hearing you very well.
Thank you.
I think it's network issue.
Me too, I'm hearing you.
Can
So,
hear you?
It's network actually.
after you are done, just click on update. Always update your changes. Do you understand? After you are done updating, you have already created whatever it is you want to create here. Update your changes and come over here and visit site. See how your site looks now.
This side.
I updated it now. What's going on?
Just wait for it.
Okay, yeah. So this is the general page.
That's about us.
That's about okay.
All right.
Now, this is the home page. Now I've clicked the home page. This is the home page. Do you understand? Now let us, before our time runs out, all right, please, we are going to need extra like 2 minutes to say what I want to say. So this is the page we just created now. Do you understand? This is the home that we just created now. But we need to set this home to be our own page. So what I need you to do is to come to CakeWord, go to dashboard. This is the last thing we are going to do. Come to settings. Instead of general, go to reading. Reading. Click on reading. So when you get to reading, now your home page will display as what? Your latest post. No, a static page. We want to display a static page. And once our home page to be home, just select home. All right. Immediately after you select home, come here and click save. Okay. So when you click save, next time you go to visit site, it will take you directly to your home. So, exactly. So this is the website that I just created now, but it is terrible, extremely terrible. This is the worst way of building websites. Don't ever build websites this way. You can never build something as beautiful as what I showed you the other time like this. Do you understand? So in our next class, I'm going to show you the best way to build a website. But then, guys, I really have to tell you, I really have to be sincere with you. I have to be sincere with you. Developing a beautiful website is much more. But then I am very happy that I could point you guys to the right direction. All right, I'm happy that I could point you guys to the right direction. All right, we are on the right track. We are on the right track right here. Can you guys still hear me? Can you guys hear me? Hello? Can anyone hear me? Hello?